got a little bit something different for you today. I've got these 6 LAI padlocks sitting on the desk. I'm going to try to go ahead and pick all 6 of them for you. And, you know, I'm going to throw them in my drawer for, you know, every once in a while I'll throw an easy lock in a box with the trade. But then again, everybody likes padlocks, especially if they got a nice goofy warning like these do on them. But just going to go with top of the keyway tension. And go to the back of the lock. Just looking for binders, just like normal. Yeah, that one actually held me up longer than they normally do. So I'll set that one to the side. There we go. That's more like it. And, you know, I don't know, I'm not calling the pins off, but I normally don't go through a whole bunch of padlocks like this. I wasn't really thinking about it. One's loose. Click out of 2. Click out of 3. Go back to just 1. 4 is bound pretty solid. Click out of 4, click out of 5. And click out of 1. That one bound up pretty tight. One's loose. Click out of 2, click out of 3, click out of 4, nothing on 5, nothing on 1. Yeah. I guess 2 fell back down. These things are no big deal to get into. 1, 2... No. This one feels a little different. There we go, off pin 2. And the last one, but not the least by any means. But these locks are, you know, they're easily manipulated. You can shim them. I don't know if you can bypass them because I've never even attempted to bypass a lock. But they're definitely not hard to pick. And get this one shut back up here. Hell, they don't even want to close after you pick them. Yeah, maybe just that one. Yeah, but anyway, not the best tolerances. You can actually see around the core. You can see the first pin right there. Yeah, you can get a shim in there, I'm pretty sure. And you know what? Let me see if I can find my little knife I made. See if they are bypassing. I've never actually tried to bypass a lock. Well, I felt the cord give a little bit, or the shim give a little bit. But that's about it. But this little homemade knife of mine ain't really long enough to get in there. It's just a hair too short. But it is, the shackle does move when I do it. So yeah, I don't think they're shielded either. Anyway, guys, there's some LAI padlocks picked. Fun times. Kind of like to pick several locks on one video. Everyone, please stay safe and don't pick into these unauthorized, because it constitutes breaking and entering. Stay safe, guys. Please like and subscribe.